welcome to another episode of Drum Fun. My name is Tommy. This is my buddy Dele. Dele is the main character from my book, The Adventures of Dele the Street Kid. Make sure you get a copy on Amazon.com or .uk and leave us a really cool review. Right, if this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. This is where we have fun learning how to play the djembe. So if you want to learn a new skill, if you don't know how to play djembe, join us every Tuesday and Thursday. Dele and I, we've got you. We're here to teach you the basics of learning and grooving on a djembe. So today I have a new drum pattern for you and you're going to love it. It was what I was actually playing when I first came on. I love it. It's funky, it's fresh, it's cool. And today I'm going to be teaching you and hopefully you can go off and learn how to play it by yourself. So before we start, Dele and I like to give you a 5-second countdown for you to go off, grab your instrument, come back and join us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, we're going to start. I know you're ready. I'm ready. Dele is ready. You're ready. And before we start, also, we like to always warm up. We have to make sure that our hands are ready. We have to shake them out and make sure that they're ready to do some tapping. So let's go. Shake them up, up, up. Shake them side, side. The other side, side, side. Down below, low, low. Let's do it one more time. A little bit quicker this time. Let's go. Shake them up, up, up. To the side, side, side. The other side, side, side. Down below, low, low. Right, my hands are ready. Dele's hands are ready. Your hands are ready. Let's go. Before we learn the new beat pattern, I've got my 3-minute timer. We have to learn this beat in just 3 minutes. So let's go. Right, watch me, listen, and then we'll have a turn together. Beat, tap, tap, beat. Beat, tap, tap, beat. I'll do that again. Beat, tap, tap, beat. Beat, tap, tap, beat. Remember, if you find this a little bit challenging, you can always pause the video, have a practice, and come back on. Okay, now let's do this together. Beat, tap, tap, beat. Beat, tap, tap, beat. Let's do it again. Beat, tap, tap, beat. Beat, tap, tap, beat. Well done. Okay, so I have a challenge for you like I always do. You're going to be quiet so you can hear the beat pattern. You can hear what it sounds like. So I would have a turn, watch and listen, and then we'll have a turn together. Listen again. Let's have a turn together. Well done. That is our second beat pattern. I have another challenge for you. I want us to go a little bit faster. So we're going to increase the tempo. Watch and listen to me first, and then we'll have a turn together. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's have a turn together. Let's go. We still have time. Now, because this beat is so groovy, it's really funky, I love it. I want you, when you tap now, to actually try and move to the rhythm, move to the beat. So you can watch me and then we'll have a turn together. Okay, you can do any movement that you want. It's all up to you. Let's have a turn together. Let's go. Oh, did you see me moving around there? Moving my neck, moving my waist, moving my body? Well done. This is our beat pattern of today. But before the time runs out, which is nearly run out, I want us to do it a little bit quicker. So we're going to increase the tempo again. You can watch me or you can join in with me now. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Just keep practicing. Practice, practice, practice. Practice on the table, on the chair, practice on your laps, practice on your shoulders, clap, clap, clap. There's so many ways to practice. And before you know it, like I say, you will be the best drummer out there. Have a can-do attitude, determination, keep practicing, and the sky is not the limit, it's the beginning. So thank you so much for joining us again. Make sure you get a copy of The Adventures of Billy the Street Kid. There's so much more coming on this channel, and we hope that you're on the ride with us. Thank you so much. We appreciate you for joining. Please like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you next time. No matter what it is that you're doing, have fun, do it with a smile and with a can-do attitude. Bye.